Hello there, this is Oyon Roy from GrabChat, and in this video we are going to learn how to use Quick Mask. So as we are already into Photoshop, let's get started. First, Quick Mask is used for selecting this kind of thing, these rods. You can select anything, but especially Quick Mask is used for this kind of purpose, where you can use brush to paint the rods and the painted area can be converted into a selection. First, we have to go into Quick Mask mode. Press simply Q. Now you can see the layer become red, means you are into quick mask mode now. So now zoom in, select the brush and just paint over it. By the way, how I have done the straight line, click once, drag to the other point, press and hold shift and click on the other point. This is how you can make a straight line using any tool like brush tool, selection tool, any tool. So now select the rods or fins in this manner. Now the whole thing is painted. Press Ctrl plus 0 to fit the canvas into the screen. Done. Now we have to get back to the image from the quick mask mode. Simply press Q to do that. Everything is selected except the fence, and we are trying to select the fence only. So we have to invert the selection, obviously. So to invert the selection, we have to press Ctrl, Shift and I, and now you can see the fence is only selected and the rest is not selected. So to remove the fence, we have to fill the area with content aware fill. Just simply press Shift plus F5 to get the fill up properties and then select content aware from the contents and check the color adaptation, opacity 100, then simply hit on OK. When it's done, to deselect the selection, press Ctrl plus D. It looks really good, right? But there's some problems here and there. So we will repeat the process again. First we have to go to quick mask mode. Now the layer is red. It means we are into quick mask mode. Press Q to get into the quick mask mode. Then repeat the same process. Click once and press and hold shift and click on the other point. Get back to the image from the quick mask mode by pressing simply Q. The whole thing is selected except the rods or the lines. So we have to select the lines. To do that, we have to invert the selection. Press Ctrl Shift I. This is the shortcut. If you can't remember any shortcut, then go to select and here is inverse. And the shortcut is also written here. So now after inverting the selection, we have to run the same process again. Press Shift plus F5 to get the fill property and select content aware. Check the color adaptation and just hit on OK. It's done. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect the selection and those problem is also being fixed. Now we have to fix this area. Take a new layer, select healing brush tool, zoom in, sample this area and just paint on this. But it's not painting. Why? Because the sample is selected from current layer. Make sure you have selected current and below. Sample this place and just paint over this area. Done. Now this area also sample and just paint. By the way, how I taking sample, I am pressing and holding Alt and then click on that area from where I want to select the sample or taking the sample. Press and hold Alt, click on the area from where you want to take the sample, click there and just paint it. Simple. See, I want to continue this line, but the sampled area is not allowing me to rotate the brush. So how we will fix that? We will simply go to Windows, click on Clone Source, here it is, and just play with this angle. You can increase it and see what's happened. See, it's rotated now. Let's get back to 0 and see, this is like this, and if I type 10, like I have rotated now the brush with 10-degree angle. See, now that's matching. Just click and paint over it. Let's reset the angle to 0, close the panel and just fix those left area. We are done. This is all for this video. The next video will be how to select transparent objects. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.